Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you all the changes I've made to the suspension. This video you're watching right now is the original video, my install video for these rose jointed or rod end tie bar that I made. And so you can see that it did have some twisting motion in this video, and so for that reason I decided to switch over to these heim joints. And so you can see this, I've replaced, in this video I've replaced the end with the heim joint here, and that's just a simple process of unscrewing the rod end with the poly bushing in it and then screwing in the heim joint end, and then the whole thing goes back together pretty easily. Here I'm installing that by lining up the hole. I've taken the weight of the suspension off of onto the jack there, and so the suspension is loaded, and so now you just line up the hole and put the bolt through, and once that goes in, it's a simple process. Just put the nut on the bottom and then tighten down the locking nuts, and that's it. That's pretty simple. So you just tighten it all down and then take it for a drive. Here you can see some of the articulation. I just took some shots of the articulation of this joint. So here I'm just raising the suspension up. I've got that jack underneath the spindle, and so I'm raising it up, and here I'm just bouncing the car up and down on the ground and showing the articulation of that joint. Say the feel of the rose jointed tie bars is pretty much just like the poly bushings that I had previously. I can't tell a difference, to tell you the truth. I'm going to be going over a bunch of speed bumps here on this road, so hopefully it'll show some of the action of the rose joint as it moves up and down. Without an issue, not overly jarring, or I can't feel any excess vibration in the chassis as we go over these speed bumps. Is the last one, and I wasn't going particularly slow going over those, just standard speed. A couple of them I hit a little bit faster than I probably would have normally, just to see what it felt like, but it all felt normal.